How to connect Crunchyroll to Roku TV. I'm going to tell you how to connect Crunchyroll to Roku TV. First, make sure that your TV is connected to the internet and then grab your Roku remote and then click Home. Once you are on the home screen, navigate to the left or to your applications. Now scroll down and look for apps and click on that. Here you will see the applications that are installed on your Roku TV. Some Roku device has a search bar, so you can simply search for Crunchyroll if you have that. But if you don't, you can just go down to movies and TVs, and from here, you can see the availability of Crunchyroll. Another alternative is just by going to Roku's website, and from here, you can easily add the application after you log in.